Hey guys, so I'm Madison, and welcome back to the Luna Ace Madison channel. So today we're gonna be I'm gonna be telling you about poppets and what they are. So let's get to the video.
We're at the video though.
So now I'm gonna show you what you do with these. Let me just clean the table.
Forget about the darn things. Get to the toys already.
So first thing you do is you have the poppet, and I have a square, so you go like this. You just pop it.
Ooh, very satisfying.
And it's very satisfying. And you have this one, this unicorn.
Now it's time for the most popular segment of the show. Our Avenger tries to ruin everything.
So there is a quiet side and a loud side. So the one I just popped was the quiet side. So this is the loud side for the square.
Yes.
So that's the square for the loud side. So here's the unicorn for the loud side.
What, so now we're doing ASMR videos
And
up in
now I
this?
have one more fidget that I don't think I ever did in one of my videos before, and it's this. A marble and mash. So you go like this, you just push the marble up and down,
Yeah.
and you can go like this. You go like this. You can go like anything you want. It's actually fun. You can go like this. I did this 200 times on the bus.
Nice.
And I have more fidgets, so I'm going to pause the video.
Yes. Shall we do a quick transition?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. That was a horrible transition, but I think it actually worked. What the hell are these? What the heck are these?
Fidgets. Okay.
Oh, more fidgets.
Put the poppets away in the marble and mash. Okay. So I have a pink bag.
Mhm.
So what should I start off first? With this?
Well, it's your darn show. You started off.
Okay.
Which do you think people would be more interested in?
I know people love fidgets, so they might.
Well, fidget spinners aren't really a trend anymore,
Yeah.
but what kind of
So,
fidgets you talking about?
First thing I'm going to start with is this. It's called a Rubik's.
Show 'em.
So it looks like this.
Rubik's. Okay.
So I'll show you how you do it. So you open it up. Comes into it like this, and you go like this. I got it at Five Below for like $5.
$5.
And it's actually very fun. I play with it almost every day. So this is the second. This is the other fidget. I'll let you guys see. There you go.
Yeah, and now it's time for the part where our Avenger ruins everything again.
No. I've been gonna have this for a very long time. It's a Hello Kitty squishy.
Oh, nice.
You squish it. It's slow rising.
It's also good for throwing.
It's very slow rising. So here's the other one. Here's one squishy.
One squeak. Two squishy. Two squish. Ow, my hand.
It's just, it's other squishy, but it's not really like a squishy.
It's like a Reese's.
No, it's a.
Looks like a Reese's from
It's
here.
a pie, but I don't have the top of it. And next thing is cookies.
Looks like a Reet.
You could do this. You could put this on her
You can put it on her.
hair. And I have three. No, actually, I have.
I wonder what her is.
I have this thing that I got for my birthday.
Ooh, nice donut.
It's a cupcake squishy. And this one is a DIY.
Ah, DIY, show 'em.
A Taki squishy. I did it all by myself.
Good for
My
you.
sister loves Takis.
Was it a project in school?
No, I did it at home. And
Nice.
my last one is a Yum Coffee squishy.
Okay.
I love it. So we have done all of these squishies.
Is that copyrighted music? I hate.
Don't mind the music. That's somebody. So next thing we have is Orbeez Just Balls. So this is a strawberry and this is a grape, I guess. I think.
Let me see that thing.
See, because it has spots on it.
It's a green I think it's a green. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. It's a green strawberry.
So this one, it has Orbeez in it, and you just...
Or water beads.
Or water beads, and this one has the same thing. These are my 2 Orbeez balls. I accidentally popped. I had 4 or 5 Orbeez balls, and I popped it.
Funny, I had one and I popped one.
Next thing is this turd.
That's it, I'm out.
I'm kidding, it's not.
Then what is it then?
It's a fidget. It has sand inside.
Let me look at it.
It's not a turd, it's a banana.
It's a turd.
It's a chocolate covered banana.
That doesn't look anything like a banana.
It has eyes.
So after a brief punch up,
And you-
she's made me film again.
Pull it.
It's a Stretch Armstrong turd. Let's just keep it at that. Let me get the thing. Yeah!
You can stretch it. And it's fun. No touching. Next thing
Oh, what am I, the
is-
child now?
You guys might like this. It's a pop tube. This very loud fidget. Here we go. And it's fun. You can do this. Like from Ice Age. Tusk. The tusk. And you can do horns. And I had this fidget for my
Yeah, and then you
BFF.
get away from the flies that are on the seat.
So you can guys see me very better.
Yes. Oh, come on, they're pop-ups.
This is satisfying. Next thing is, I have
Yeah.
2. A wacky track.
Wacky Trek?
A wacky tracks. Wacky tracks.
What even are they? What
They're
do they do?
Fidgets that you can like, you go like this. Break it apart.
How's it feel to get revenge? The flies are on you now.
And you, okay, so you have a part. And my mom ordered me these, and I gave them to my best friend. She lost it.
Oof. Maybe your
And-
best friend shouldn't be trusted.
It's this.
Ah!
This, you could break it apart into different colors, and it's fun.
And I'm getting swarmed.
And it's my favorite fidget.
Anything else you gotta show me
I
in your
did
bag of
this,
tricks?
and it was white, and I colored it with marker. And it's, what is it called, Logan?
Fidget box.
Fidget blocks. It's
Fidget box.
fidget box. There's a clicker.
And there's a little turnaround thingy.
There's a little, there's a turnaround thingy.
And then there's
There's-
this. Game controller, I like to call
Or
it.
like a game control. There's a spinny ball and
3 switches.
3 switches. And there's a
Blank spot.
blank spot. And there's buttons, like video games or like a Nintendo.
Yeah, so basically if you don't have a video game, just imagine you're playing a video game.
And
What's
here's
this?
magnetic rings. You're supposed to put it on.
Magnetic rings.
You're
Wait,
supposed to put it
let's
on
show 'em.
your fingers, and you go like. I don't like using my 2 fingers, so I do this.
We're almost running out of time here, Madison.
And next thing is this rainbow wacky track. I got at Walmart for like $5.
My God, how much stuff does she have in there?
I have more in my house.
Don't we?
I have 100 and
Well, 100 and what?
13.
Spoiled. Anyway, let's continue.
Next thing is a mochi. No, actually, no, that's not going first.
It's not just one mochi; it's a million mochis.
Pop-it fidget spinner. Nobody has it.
You know, it's not one of these
If you
things.
have it, comment. And comment all the fidgets you have.
If you can.
If you can. If
I'm
you
pretty
see
sure
this.
10
And
people.
And if you see this video. So it's actually a fidget spinner. You just...
Madison, 10 people already saw your trailer. I doubt that they're going to comment.
And here is a simple dimple.
One of them was your own freaking cousin. One of the viewers.
A simple dimple.
Quick, we have a minute left.
Last fidget is mochis. I have.
Yeah, a million freaking emojis there. No, 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 don't drop it down on the table.
I have
Oh.
a star. I have a star.
We can't show them all.
Octopus, foot, I have everything that you can think, even, see, what you see?
Mochlis.
Mochis.
Mochlis. I call them mochlis. You call them mochis. Who gives a crap?
My favorite one is this one.
The cat paw?
Cat paw or doggy paw. And that's the end of the video. If you want to, I'm going to be making another video based on
Your hotel.
something else.
Try to do it at this hotel.
So, let's,
Put it on.
bye.
Wait, don't you have to tell them what they should do if they're new here?
Oh, if you're new, subscribe, like,
And click the bell if they'll allow you.
and click the bell if you can. And comment how many fidgets you have, if you can. And see you next time.
Oh, and guess what? Subscribe to the cameraman who made this all freaking
Yes.
possible. Me, Logan freaking Lasher, the R-Avenger Company. Subscribe.
I'm going to be doing a DIY fidget thing for you guys in a couple minutes. So I'll see you in a couple minutes to do the DIY paper squishing.
Okay.
So I'll see you in a couple minutes. Bye.
Yeah, bye. Madison, it's been a couple minutes. What are you going to do? Oh, wait, we're running out of time. Quick, run.
No, we have to pause the video.
Run in the house.